welcome to IIJS Virtual Second Edition powered by GIA. And we have two very progressive jewelers of our country, Abhishek Agarwal from Shree Jewelers, Hyderabad, and Mr. Deepak Seth from SK Seth from Mumbai. So I'd like to start with Abhishek ji. Abhishek ji, Happy New Year.
Sure, Happy New Year.
Now we are on the January first week of 2021. So how has been the season till now in the last 6 months after the lockdown?
Post the lockdown, gradually we have seen an increase in the footfall. God was great, and we could see that people psychologically they was recovering from the tough time we have been through in the 2020, the COVID thing. So there were a lot of weddings that have happened in the south. So a lot of people, it was not encouraging that people were, trying to change. People were trying to get into the new way of life, the new normal, what we call. So people were trying to wear their mask, they were trying to have, be sanitized, but yet they were trying to, go ahead in life. They were not stuck. They were not stagnant anywhere. We could see a drastic increase in the sale through the video conferencing, video call, what we could do. So it is great that everybody is trying to learn the new normal. So it was a great initiative by IIJS to bring it to the virtual platform, wherein all my people were involved in the buying process. We could bring many people who wouldn't have come if it wouldn't have been virtual. So I would say it helped us in doing further business, and it was a great environment at sitting at your own space at your own hour. Whenever we want, we could possibly do without taking the risk of traveling, doing this. So it was a very good thing. I congratulate IIJS for taking the initiative.
See, it is like when the pandemic, when we came back to the normal, everyone said lightweight jewelry would sell well because the rates are very high. But I don't know, we just didn't follow that. We made our own trends and we made the heavy jewelry, the wedding jewelry, which is done drastically well. And it's amazing. I don't know how people are following what, but right now there is no trend that you can follow. Ready jewelry is selling. There is no orders. There is no conceptions. There is nothing changing. Everything that is happening is just its flow. You make your jewelry, customer likes it, they will buy it. There is no particular standard that we are following. Yes, there is little demand, increased size on the color stone side. Like the customer wants jewelry with premium gemstones right now, and it's doing great. Especially the wedding jewelry, the bridal jewelry is doing great. If we compare from the last virtual by this time, we had hardly a day before 10 or 12 meetings which were just accepted by us. Till now, which is 4 days left for the second version, we already have 36 people registered with us to attend on the virtual show. So this shows that even the retailer is getting interested, and more people are logging in and understanding. And thanks to IIJS, because of which we have learned how to do virtual business, both retailers and wholesalers. IIJS is just for 5 days, but we usually utilize that same concept by social media or Zoom and do our business without going to their stores. It's convenient for them also. They can have one final decision with their own purchase managers and the owners collaborated.
I would first agree with Deepak ji, in which he told that there is no trend as such to follow, because nowadays trends are changing every now and then. So what I would say is, because in India, definitely we are a country of festivals. So every now and then we have a reason to buy.
And Abhishek ji, do you feel that this year, which we are finishing on March 31st, this financial year, which is going on now, we will be able to reach 60-70% of last financial year's numbers, or how do you see the trade doing this financial year?
Trend in the last few months, I would definitely say it was a very good learning experience, and definitely the numbers were good. So I do not think that we can complain. Seeing the world situation all around, we will definitely achieve that much. There is no problem with achieving that numbers.
Coming to you, Deepak bhai, now you are one of the few who said कि सब लोग लाइट वेट बोल रहे हैं, पर मैं तो मीडियम वेट ही बनाऊंगा और मेरा जो हायर वेट है मैं उसी में काम करूंगा, and that really worked for you in IIJS virtual. So what do you think is the next 6 months looking like to you?
Right now, the smaller retailers in 2 tier, 3 tier, like Madurai, like a town in Varanasi, a town ahead from Varanasi, Buxar in Bihar, Patna, Chhapra, these all towns are coming up more because the reach of a retailer's social media is for them also. So they are also demanding better designs, for which a retailer used to never come to our store. Now he comes here, he selects the jewelry. We are astonished, we are really surprised that retailers from small towns are coming up and buying jewelry up to 1 kg, 2 kg in a bridal set. So there is no stopping right now, and there is no such thing that only lightweight is selling. Definitely wedding season compared to 2019, the dates are more in 2020. So we do expect a very good business coming up in the coming times. Retailers in the metro have all the facilities available for them. But again, the retailers in a small town don't have that good agencies that they can hire. They're always looking out for something new that is coming up, which they cannot achieve. So we help them by providing them creatives or videos that we make for ourselves. We have some very good agencies that we've tied up, and we don't use our brand name in that. We let them utilize that. So ultimately, it helps us to grow our sales only. So it has definitely worked out pretty well.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Abhishek ji, any special comments at the end? You want to say something and advice to the manufacturers for IIGS Virtual?
I would definitely wish everybody a best of luck for the coming years. So I would say please be safe and keep you on your toes, and we have to keep updating, helping each other, supporting each other every day.
Thank
you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दीपक जी and Abhishek
Thank
जी.
you.
And all the best for a great 2021.